Welcome to a brief tutorial on searching the library catalog. From the ACC homepage, you can hover over the Student Life tab and click on Library. You can also access us by visiting us directly at library.alamantegc.edu. To search the catalog, you just click the Search the Catalog icon. Okay, so here is the ACC Library Catalog. A few things you need to know. The search box right here is where you're going to type your search terms. Right here is the type of search it's going to do. It will default to a keyword search, but you can change that to like title or author if you'd rather do it that way. Format, it's going to again default to all formats, so it will search all the books, all the videos, everything we own. However, if you want to change that to just books or just videos, you can do that here. And then the library it's searching, it will default to Alamance Community College. However, you can change that by clicking up here at the top to select all of the libraries that are in the Evergreen system. We are going to leave it as Alamance Community College for now. So we're going to put in our search terms here in the search box and hit enter. Right now we're going to be searching for information on social media. So you can see here we've got our list of results. There are 212 titles available at ACC that come up when you search social media. If you scroll down, you can see some of the titles here. Up here at the top, you can see that it has sorted the results by relevance, so the most relevant titles will appear at the top of the list. You can change that if you want to search alphabetically by title or by author. You can also sort by publication date, so if you're looking for the newest items first, you can do that. We are going to leave that as sort by relevance for now. Now, 212 items are a lot. That's a lot to sort through. One way you can try to limit that down is if you come over here to the left side of the screen, you can see where it says topic subject. You can see each of these has a number next to it that tells you the number of items that have that as a topic subject. I'm going to click here on more so you can see the rest of them. And when that loads, let's scroll down and see all of these. So you can see there are quite a lot of options for you to choose from if you want to limit that down to something specific. We are going to take a look right here at the social aspects where it says there are 32 results. So I click on that, and that is going to give me just these 32 titles we have here at ACC that have social aspects as one of the topics of social media. So we're going to scroll down. There's a few titles you can look at. And let's say that you find this one interesting, the logged in and stressed out, how social media is affecting your mental health and what you can do about it. So we're going to click on the title there, and that will take us into the record. So right here, it gives you some basic information. It tells you the title, gives you the summary. If you scroll down here, it says available copies. You can see that currently there are 6 copies available in the Evergreen system, and that we own 1 here at ACC. When you look here where it says location, it will show you where it is. It will tell you the call number, so where it is on the shelf, and then it'll also tell you the shelving location, which in this case is general collection. However, if you need to know a little bit more information about the book, you can click right here where it says more details, and that's going to give you a little more information such as the ISBN number, the publisher. It will give you any bibliographic information that might be available, like table of contents. The thing that we're interested in, though, right here is where it says search for related items by subjects. So this is the way that the item has been cataloged in the system. And this one right here at the top, the social media psychological aspects. Let's say we want to look for more information on that. So I click there, and it is going to give me a new list of results of only 7 items. However, if you look right here in our search boxes, you can see that the catalog has done a new search for you. It has done a subject search for social media psychological aspects. And if you do know how to type those in, you can do that yourself. However, if you're in a record and you just click on that, the catalog will do that for you. So you can see this is limited to our 7 titles. Now, let's say you want more information than just those 7 titles. So you can come up here and you can click where it says Show Results from All Libraries. And that is going to give us a list of results from all of the libraries that are in the Evergreen system. And that has given us 69 titles. Now, let's say that you're having trouble finding things that are available, that are actually available at the moment that you can check out or place a hold request on. If you come up here and you click to the limit to available items, that is going to limit your results to only the things that are currently on the shelf that you can either go to the shelf and check out, or you can place a hold request on from another library. So let's take another look. We'll just look at this one right here at the top, The Dark Side of Social Media from 2022. So I can click on that and I can scroll down and you can see that this one is at the Wilkes Community College Library. And if this is with something you are interested in, you could place a hold right here with the place hold button. However, that is something we are going to cover in another video. So we will come back to that information. So if that's something you're interested in, you can place the hold in, or you can go back to your list of results. You can do that either by clicking the back to results button or by clicking the back button in the browser, and that will take you both back to your list of results. And then you can scroll down and you can continue to look through the results and see what else you're interested in. And that has been a basic tutorial on how to do a basic search in the Evergreen Library Catalog for ACC.